Hi everyone! Welcome sa channel ko. Ako nga pala si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad, and kung nakita niyo sa thumbnail, pag-usapan natin is the new Redmi Pad. So ito yung pantapat ng Redmi or ng Xiaomi sa Realme Pad X. So this one, actually we have two. So I'm not sure yet what to do with the two Redmi Pads that I have, but I've had this for over a week. Pero hindi pa ako ready na ibahagi sa inyo yung full review. I need to use this talaga thoroughly para lang maibigay ko sa inyo yung full details. Dahil hindi pa naman siya i-release sa Philippines, this will come out later this month. So abangan nyo yan dahil magiging available na to sa Philippines by the end of October, I think. And yung pricing niya, although I have an idea already, I can't release the pricing yet. It's still on embargo. But I can tell you guys na this is definitely cheaper than the Realme Pad X. So kung naghahanap kayo ng alternative na murang tablet, this is gonna be one of your better choices. But anyway, enough talk. Unbox muna natin. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman nito. And then pag-usapan natin saglit yung build niya and then yung camera samples and maybe even the sound test. So let's go, unbox na natin. Alright, so that was our quick unboxing, and kung nakita nyo, unibody design lang po siya tulad ng karamihan ng mga tablets that are out right now. And then meron lang siyang isang camera module right there, and this is an 8 megapixel camera. At dito sa harap, meron din tayong 8 megapixel camera which we will test later. And then as for its ports, meron lang tayong USB-C charging port. And we have a quad speaker setup. This is certified by Dolby Atmos. Malakas talaga yung speakers nito. Siguro dahil may quad speakers to, maikukumpara natin to sa Xiaomi Pad 5. But we will have to test that in another video because I don't have the Xiaomi Pad 5 with me right now. But if marami sa inyo mag-request, we will definitely do a comparison video between the Redmi Pad as well as the Xiaomi Pad 5. So let me know in the comment section guys kung gusto niyo yan. I-like nyo itong video and mag-comment kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong makitang comparison na gawin natin with this one. Maybe with the Realme Pad X as well. You guys decide. And then yung display niya, of course, pag-usapan natin, we have a 10.61-inch display. This is a full-size, full-fledged tablet talaga. And this is using an IPS LCD panel na merong 90Hz refresh rate. So doon pa lang medyo angat na siya sa Realme Pad X which only has 60Hz refresh rate. So the videos will look really fluid, mas smooth tingnan if you're gonna compare it to something that has only 60Hz refresh rate. So user interface naman, meron tayong MIUI 13 and also this is on top of Android 12 already. Now yung chipset naman na ginamit nila for this one is a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset which is a really decent chipset lalo na at meron na tong 6nm fabrication. Finally, hindi na tayo gumagamit ng mga G90, G95, G96 na merong 12nm fabrication. Now, ang main difference dyan is yung battery efficiency. So, mas magtatagal yung battery mo with the G99. And power-wise naman, it's the same as what you would expect from G95. And ito namang unit na nasa akin ay merong 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. And kung sakaling makulangan ka sa storage, meron naman tong expandable memory card slot. That's good. Now, pagdating naman sa battery, meron tayong 8,000 mAh na battery capacity which is good. But the downside is that meron lang itong 18 watts na fast charging capability. So, medyo may kabagalan itong Redmi Pad pagdating sa charging. So, aabutin kayo ng lampas 2 hours most likely if you're gonna charge this from 0 to 100%. So, hindi ko pa talaga fully natetest dahil meron pang charge remaining from the time na in-unbox ko tong Redmi Pad. So, kailangan ko pa talaga i-test ng todo to guys para maibigay ko sa inyo yung totoong battery endurance capability nitong Redmi Pad. At bago natin tapusin yung video, eto muna yung sample video natin from the front-facing camera as well as the quick speaker test para lang malaman natin yung kakayahan ng speakers nito. Hey guys, so ito yung camera test natin para sa front camera nitong Redmi Pad. So kung gagamitin nyo to for Zoom meetings, ito po yung kalalabasan na result given na meron kayong lighting na tulad dito sa studio ko. Na kung wala naman, well, siguro medyo bababa yung quality dahil hindi na po ganun kataas yung quality kahit na meron tayong lighting dito. So it would be best or better if meron kang lighting sa pag nag-Zoom meeting ka or pag nag-online class ka if gagamitin mo tong Redmi Pad. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section.
Looking for something? Good work, Muggsy! Now, why don't you just let me take it from here?
Smart boy, keeping that camera away from Cuphead. Doncho?
その姿は。
エリザベス、3000年も待たせて悪かったな。
Now, para naman sa initial impressions ko, I think this is gonna be a great tablet for the price range. Again, guys, alam ko na po yung presyo nito pero hindi ko pa po pwedeng i-release sa inyo. But again, para lang may idea kayo, this is cheaper than a Realme Pad X. So, yan na po, medyo may hint na kayo. And this is gonna be even cheaper pa sa early bird rate niya. So, abangan nyo po yung video ko. And kung napanood mo yung video na to and meron na pong Redmi Pad na available, lahat po ng links nandyan po sa description box para makauna ka sa lahat ng ibang buyers dyan. Sigurado ako na maganda yung bentahan nito dahil mura, lalo na sa pre-order price. So abangan nyo itong Redmi Pad because this is one of the better value tablets out there right now. Anyway, kung na-enjoy mo yung video na to, paki-like and subscribe naman dito sa channel. And kung gusto mo pang manood ng mga videos ko, meron po akong mga ililink dyan. I'm sure magugustuhan nyo rin yan. So hanggang sa susunod, ako nga pala ulit si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad. Kita-kita ulit tayo.